You can learn English in the best and most practical way on the Talk English Now channel. Let's get started.
Easy English Transportation Dialogues, City and Countryside A1 Practice. How do I go to the city center? You can take the bus. Is the bus stop near here? Yes, it is very near. Emma, where is the metro station? It is next to the bank. Can I walk to the city center? Yes, it is a short walk. How much is the bus ticket? It is $2. John, does this bus go downtown? Yes, it goes downtown. Is there a taxi here? Yes, there is a taxi. How long is the bus ride? It is 10 minutes. Do trains run in this city? Yes, trains run every day. Lisa, where do I buy a ticket? You buy it at the station. How do people travel in the countryside? They travel by car. Is there a bus in this village? Yes, there is one bus. Mark, do you drive to work? Yes, I drive every day. Are the roads good here? Yes, the roads are good. Can I rent a car here? Yes, you can rent a car. Is there a train station nearby? No, it is far. Anna, how do you go to school? I go by bus. Do people use bikes here? Yes, many people use bikes. Is the city busy today? Yes, it is very busy. Paul, is traffic heavy now? Yes, traffic is heavy. Are taxis expensive here? No, they are cheap. How do farmers travel to town? They go by truck. Is there public transport here? No, there is no public transport. Mary, do buses run at night? No, buses stop early. Can I use a bus card? Yes, you can use a card. Is the road safe at night? Yes, it is safe. Does the train go to the city center? Yes, it goes there. Tom, how far is the village? It is 20 kilometers. Do you wait long for the bus? No, I wait 5 minutes. Is walking common in the countryside? Yes, people walk a lot.
City and country transport, 30 easy English sentences for traveling. Where is the bus stop? It is across the street. Does this bus go to the city center? Yes, it goes to the center. How much is a ticket? It is $2. Can I pay with a card? No, cash only, please. Where is the train station? It is near the big park. Is the train fast? Yes, it is very fast. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a blue car. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive well. Where can I find a taxi? You can find one at the hotel. Take me to the airport, please. Okay, let's go. Is it far from here? No, it is very close. How long does it take? It takes 20 minutes. Please stop here. Okay, stopping now. Do you walk to school? Yes, I walk every day. Is there a subway station here? Yes, down the street. Which line do I take? Take the red line. Is the traffic bad today? Yes, there are many cars. Do you ride a bike? Yes, I ride in the village. Where is the ticket machine? It is next to the entrance. Does the train stop here? Yes, it stops at this station. Is this seat free? Yes, you can sit here. What time is the next bus? It is at 5 o'clock. Do we need a map? No, I know the way. Is the road good? No, it is a bumpy road. How do I get to the farm? Go straight and turn left. Is there a gas station nearby? Yes, 5 miles away. Can we park here? No, parking is not allowed. Do you take the ferry? Yes, to cross the river. Is it safe to walk at night? Yes, it is safe here. Have a safe trip. Thank you very much. Easy English NBA Dialogues for Beginners, Global Basketball Impact, A1 Level. What is the NBA? The NBA is a professional basketball league in the United States. Why do people love the NBA? People love it because the games are fast and exciting. Who is your favorite NBA player? My favorite player is James because he plays with great energy. Where do fans watch NBA games? Fans watch games on TV or online. When do NBA games usually start? They usually start in the evening. Why is basketball popular around the world? It is popular because it is fun and easy to play. Who teaches kids how to play basketball? Coaches teach kids how to play. Where do children play basketball? Children play on school courts or in parks. How often do you watch NBA games? I watch games every weekend. Who is the star player on your favorite team? The star player is Michael. Why do players practice every day? They practice to get better and stay strong. Where do NBA teams travel for games? They travel to different cities in the U.S. When do fans cheer the loudest? They cheer the loudest when their team scores. Who won the game last night? Emma's team won the game. Why do people wear NBA jerseys? They wear jerseys to support their favorite teams. Where can you buy NBA merchandise? You can buy it in sports stores or online. How long is a basketball game? A game is about 48 minutes long. Who throws the first pass? The point guard usually throws the first pass. Why do players drink water during the game? They drink water to stay hydrated. Where do coaches give instructions? Coaches give instructions from the sidelines. Who takes the final shot? Sometimes David takes the final shot. Why do fans love slam dunks? They love them because they look powerful and fun. Where do kids learn basic basketball rules? They learn them at school or in simple videos. Who brings the basketball to practice? Sarah brings the basketball. Why is teamwork important in basketball? It is important because it helps the team win. Where do players warm up before the game? They warm up on the court. Who scores the most points on your team? James scores the most points. Why do fans follow NBA news? They follow news to learn about players and games. Where does the NBA have fans? The NBA has fans all around the world.